Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Dominoes 7 show. Merry Christmas, everybody. Jingle bells. Merry Christmas, everybody. Yes, indeed. Okay. Well. I must say, I want to wish all y'all a Merry Christmas, okay? Yes, indeed. I mean, my favorite time of day, but just my first Christmas without my mom, you know. Much as I miss her, you know, I still miss her, but it's my third Christmas without my grandmother, okay? She passed away July 18, 2016. My mom passed April 29, 2018, you know? So that's 2 years apart, you know, okay? And I got Brock's presents, okay? So I don't know if he gonna be up in time. Well, he gonna be up actually, okay? All right. So what I'm gonna do? About to go downstairs. Yep, I'm gonna go downstairs. Give him them presents, okay? All right. So he need to open them up immediately, okay? All right. Be right back.